free to do so. Pero again, trading is about managing your risk, growing your account, and all that good stuff. So let's take a look at what's happening. Crypto, there's nothing much happening. It's again consolidation. There's just no interest at the moment for a big move. Although there's some interesting items for Ethereum. So let's get into it. Right now, BNB. Let's start with BNB. BNB has hit another support, meaning it has hit another buy area at the daily time frame. Ngayon, it's trying to go up. It's again being met with resistance. Current resistance is this big area right here. In yung current resistance, and masakit siya sa mata, yes, I agree with that 100%. But it is what it is. So if we look at the lower time frame, I don't want to look at this at 15-minute. Masyado siyang choppy. I would see this as a shorting opportunity at 271.29. Only buying opportunity here at a confirmation is 231.48. This is a 2-hour time frame, so it may take a while for it to play out. This is another selling opportunity area at 260.70. Okay? Again, it's on consolidation. It just hit a buy area. So at this point, if maubos ang selling, it's gonna go through those areas. I would say take it as a confirmation entry. Hindi tayo nagmamadali. Right now, it's the end of the year. You don't want to take unnecessary losses. Finish the year strong. So if you're green, cool. Congratulations. If your portfolio is in the red, maybe you'll want to relax until the next year and start stronger. Um, this trap idea was already triggered, so tapos na yan. So BNB, these are the three ideas. Short area 260.70, stop loss somewhere above 264.77. Second area is 271.29, stop somewhere above 274.09. Buying area 231.48, stop somewhere below 227.13. Now for Ethereum is interesting. The reason behind that is it keeps on testing this resistance area, right? Or it did, it was. Now, what's the difference? The difference is that Ethereum is right now playing inside the buy area test for an uptrend, okay? And what it's trying to do is actually test the ranges. So this previously was the range na ginagawa niya. Now it's above that. What does that mean? There's a bit more buying, although there's room for dropping. So nearest term, as far as what we can see for trade ideas, an hour time frame, this would be the nearest one. 1270.44, 1279.76. That's actually the second one. The first one has already been tested, so I'm not gonna go over that. Buying idea is somewhere here at 1169.45. Dalawang trade ideas lang for Ethereum. I'm not really into getting aggressive with Ethereum. Although masarap siyang i-capture sa 15-minute time frame, there's nothing anymore sa ginagawa niyang movement. Because it already captured those movements sa range na ginagawa niya. Next is Bitcoin. Bitcoin, again, same sentiment. I'm not really interested in buying Bitcoin until it starts deleting some resistances, and it has not changed. Resistance at 18,574.9. Okay, that's the first resistance that I want Bitcoin to see break and close above. Until then, I'm not seeing any reason for buying. It's not being kumbaga, just think of it this way. The only reason kung bakit mababreak yung resistance na yun is if there's more money that steps in to buy Bitcoin. It's not about closing positions. It's about more money buying Bitcoin. So if I'm playing Bitcoin in this range, this is a near-term buy. This is not as strong a move as I would like. 16619.1 short, sorry, stop loss somewhere below 16556.1. Second buying area would be, let's get cheap with this one. This would be a confirmation entry buy. 16447.2, stop loss somewhere below 16364.7. And then Bitcoin is kind of tricky for a short position. I would say short dito. 17652.3. Stop loss somewhere above 17714.6. There's not much happening in this area. You can take this as a short, pero I would say confirmation only on this one. This is something that's just in the middle of nowhere that formed. Now, if I'm looking at other items like Euro USD has entered its test area. Okay, for the first uptrend test, it's entered its uptrend test area, and right now it's trying to break out of this resistance area. No change. I still would like to pick this up at 1.05462 as the earliest, and no shorting at the moment. Anong conditions for shorting? If it breaks support. Once it breaks support, then we're good. We can look for shorts, but right now it's not doing that. USDJPY, nice play on this one. Let's clean this up. Hi. This would be my youngest. So right now, if we're looking at USDJPY, what do we have? Right now, there's some shorting opportunities right here. So daily time frame. So lower time frame, this would be it. I'm gonna wait for this. I have to wait for this. This is my style. It's retracement trading. Then I'm interested in buying this on a daily time frame. That's what I'm looking at. Actually, it's quite interesting on a daily time frame. Looks like it's trappish sa daily time frame because it's about to break a trend. I would say 127.584 as an entry, stop loss somewhere below 126.359. Anywhere above that right now is kind of risky for me. It's in the middle of both of this support and resistance area or demand and supply zones. Let's see, lower time frame. Lower time frame, it's doing an uptrend. Pero I think it's just yeah, it's a choppy idea for me, so I'm gonna stay away from that. Yeah, I can force a trade here, pero I just don't like doing that. I've done that before, so why would I keep on doing it? It's not in my comfort, and success rate for that is not really that big. So I'm just gonna stay away from that. GBP USD. For GBP USD, it broke through one buying area after reacting from this. So whoever took this trade, congratulations. At least a one-to-one trade right here. Entered the area and went up. Okay, that's the trade. Now, next trade. 1.19651. It's really close to this area. It's trying to hover above this area. So that causes a problem for me because it all depends on arrival. What I would like for GBP USD for this trade to be more of a success probability is for it to go out and then move in faster. There's categories for that, and there's criteria for that as to why I want that to happen. And then let's go into US futures or the stock market for the US. If we're looking at the US futures, what I would like to see is more strength in buying, pero it's not happening right now. It's going down and down still. Nasdaq So what I want to see Nasdaq do is actually close above this price. 12268.75. What that does for us is it deletes some resistances. Ngayon, ang mangyayari doon is it's gonna be a buying frenzy para sa mga tech stocks. ES. ES is S&P 500. S&P 500 just needs to hold the support. Okay, if it does, then we can see a shoot up above, break high, break this 4217.25, and then break above, going to this price. S&P 500 is another index, so there's a basket of stocks in there. Dow Jones, it's playing out really, really well. So previous video, I've shown people this is the area for shorting 34728. Stop loss somewhere above 35413. Now I'm waiting for it to go down to 32273. Okay, actually, I would love for it to go down to 30857 as long as it stops and not break below 30120. Oh, sorry, 30102. Now, if I'm looking at anything else, it's oil. Oil is tricky. Again, we just hit a daily buy area and really it reacted super nicely, super tight dun sa area na yun. Now, it's gonna try and break this resistance. Does it have enough? Maybe. Right now, we're playing in this range right here. This range with a downtrend potential. So we'll see. We'll see if it holds. Now that's all for the ideas. If you have any questions or if you have any coins or anything as far as markets to check for the next video, just let me know and I'll be more than happy to check it out for you and send my idea here. Green trades.